Amidst the wild landscape of Vale de Curucaca in the state of Santa Catarina stands a serene and precise modular residence. The house does not attempt to conquer nature, but rather positions itself as a light intervention in a forest clearing overlooking a dramatic valley in southern Brazil. The building's position was carefully chosen, maximizing the panoramic views while minimizing disruption to the existing contours and vegetation. This modular home is part of MAPA's prefabricated housing system, designed as an efficient and precise plug-and-play architecture. All modules are manufactured in a factory to strict industrial standards and then shipped to the site for assembly in a relatively short time. This approach not only speeds up the construction process, but also reduces material waste and impact on the natural site. Spatially, the house emphasizes a simple yet effective linear layout. The social areas, living room, dining room, and kitchen, open to the landscape through expansive floor-to-ceiling glass. This transparency creates an intense visual connection with the Curucaca Valley, as if the interior were an extension of nature. Meanwhile, the private spaces are positioned more sheltered, striking a balance between openness and intimacy. The building's main structure utilizes CLT, cross-laminated timber. Panels, an engineered wood material that offers both high structural strength and excellent thermal properties. The exposed woodwork of the interior creates a warm and materially honest atmosphere. This system reflects a contemporary approach to construction that is rational, sustainable, and measured. Architecturally, Minimod's form emerges as a pure geometric volume resting lightly on the ground. The building's elevations allow for natural air circulation beneath the structure while minimizing the foundation's impact on the ground. The clean, compact facade emphasizes its modular character, while large openings on the main side frame the landscape, which changes throughout the day. Minimod Curucaca is more than just a small house in the forest. It embodies the idea that architecture can be industrially produced without losing its sense of place. Through precision prefabrication and a serene dialogue with nature, the project demonstrates how technology, efficiency, and spatial experience can converge in a single, concise yet meaningful architectural gesture.